This 2024 Keystone Cougar Sport 2100RK is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Souderton, Pennsylvania, 18964 and is offered for sale by Indian Valley Camping Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Keystone is 26 feet 3 inches in length and features sleep 6, spare tire kit, external shower, refrigerator, TV, microwave, awning, slide-out, DVD player, smoke detector, water heater, and 54 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Keystone Cougar Sport 2100RK is 6,815 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.